There's a nice building. I think they sell durians at the corner. Greetings from Singapore. Today I'll be visiting the Beachwood Hawker Center as well as the Army Market, where they sell some army stuff. Let's go. There are many visa companies here. Along the way to Golden Mile Food Center. So there are some coffee shops here and a nice mosque. I'm right quite near now actually. Alright, the building in front is the Golden Mile Food Center as well as the Army Market at the level 2. Well, the first shot I see is the Teo Not Swing and giving severe for ID tag, name tag and embroidery. The sewing machine right there. There are some nice singlets. Oh, them are the army singlets. It's a rainy day today. Some of these items are really like vintage and old collector stuff now. It's a nice walk.
Itu karena tidak adanya kevakuman pada pompa minyak.
Oh, it's the army shirt for kids. And the slipper sandals. There with the Beachwood Garden. It's actually not hot here, partly because it's raining. But some of the shops are closed. Hawker Center, level 2 now. That one is with pork rice. Hope you guys enjoy this simple tour of the Golden Mile Food Center as well as the Army Market. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and enjoy the video. Give a thumbs up so that more people can find the video. Thanks a lot. By the way, there's a Kampong Glam Community Club here. It's nice. You can actually book and play badminton or some other games there. There's also a mosque here for the Muslim. Here's a nice building. I think they sell durians at that corner.